It's easy to use, it's easy to put up, it doesn't cost anything to put out there. You're already buying. So really the problem is twofold. One is paper's so easy to put out on the production floor, whether you're at the mix schedule and you're scaling up your mixes, or you're at the production line or the output line and you're recording how many units are produced. It's just easy to put it out there, but the reality is that it's not saving you any time. It's not improving your processes at all. It's really just creating a trap for you. Because I can tell you, I've seen paper fall underneath the production line, get lost, and now all of a sudden you've completely lost what your production requirements were for that particular day. Yeah, the paper doesn't save you time for two reasons. One is that I have to take that paper and I have to go do something with it. So in the production industry, in bakeries, you take the paper, you take it up to your production accountant, and they have to now key in all of that information that you either chose to scale out inside your mixers or you put on your output line for your bakeries. And what you're doing is you're effectively doubling your work. You're having somebody write it down, then they take it up and they consume it or they output it inside their systems. The second thing is that you have to record lot traceability into your mixer. So if you're not recording the lots that you're using to put into your mixers, you have a huge FSMA problem. You're not doing lot traceability in your facility. So why not just move to the next orientation, the next phase, which is more scalable, and start using tablets and start using some data screens that are on the lines themselves to record the information once. You don't want to record it twice if you don't have to. Just record it once and let the system do the heavy lifting for you. There aren't statistics that I'm aware of that are going to tell you that this is what is definitively happening. What you are essentially doing, though, is that you're trying to get over the old adage of using paper and move to a system that's allowing you to do more things more efficiently. If I'm going to go ahead and look at things like item traceability, I want to know what was put into that mixing bowl, whether it's a bowl or a stand mixer. You want to make sure that you know what's going into that particular mixing device and ensure that you can track that back to your vendors. Because ultimately, if your vendors come to you and say, hey, we have a recall on this particular item because we had an allergen, maybe it was a flour allergen, or maybe they had some sort of manufacturing issue on their side, you gotta know where those ingredients are, and you gotta know what finished goods those ingredients went into. So if you're using paper, you're literally recording a 12 or 15 or maybe even a 20-digit number on a piece of paper that's your lot code. Use the system to track that for you and make sure that you get it right at that time. Use a scan gun in order to make sure that you're doing that correctly.